Guys and girls, what's up? This is All Pro Exterior Services LLC again at you with another video. Just want to, I don't know if you remember, I told you when I mounted this pressure washer, I used some carriage bolts, which, by the way, the size of this head or this square and this leg that mounts the pressure washer to the trailer is a 3/8 bolt, okay? So if you remember, during my oil change in one of my other videos, one of the bolts broke back here, the head of it. So I said, okay, not a problem. I went to Ace Hardware and got a grade 8 3/8 bolt. I think it's about 2 inches, 2.5 inches long. Well, guess what, folks? It broke. Grade 8. So instead of me looking in my rearview mirror watching this thing scroll down the interstate or off of a highway or something like that, is what I decided to do. Let me show you guys. I'm jumping up from a size 3/8 in diameter, grade 8, again the strongest bolt you can get that I know of, or that I can get locally, to a 9/16, and you can see the difference here. Let's just, here's one here. Let's just put this back here. I mean, look at the difference in size, the thickness of the bolt. And again, this is a grade 8 bolt as well, if you could see that. Usually grade 8 bolts have 6 lines on it, and this is from my local Ace Hardware. So I also went to a place we got locally. It's called Fastenal. It's a bolt and nut company. And I was asking them, hey, look, I need something stronger than this on my 3/8. You know, maybe this is some Chinese stuff. I'm not sure. But she said, oh, by the way, we get the same bolts they do. So it wasn't no benefit. So I went back to Ace, and they worked with me, of course. So this is a 2.5 inch long, 9/16. I almost went 1/2 inch. I'm like, well, if I got to drill out everything, I'd rather have the extra security of the 9/16 thickness versus 1/2 inch. So is what I'm gonna do is I got of course washers for top and bottom, and then I also got lock nuts on here and lock washers. Again, it's just something, you know, all this was 30 bucks. You see all my prices there, but all this was 30 bucks, but it beats, you know, the benefit of having it fall off. If I keep looking at all these broken bolts, it's not doing me any good. So the reason of this video, I don't know if anyone else is having experience with bolting pressure washers on and having broken bolts. I don't know if I'm just the only guy, but my advice would be to put the biggest bolt you can put in it that allows you to put in it, grade 8, because the last thing you want to do is have your pressure washer vibrate loose, break a bolt, whatever the case is. I have no idea why it's breaking bolts. It's on rubber dampeners, as you can tell here. So basically is what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill this out to a 9/16, the square. I'm gonna drill this puck out to a 9/16, and I gotta drill the frame out of the trailer to a 9/16 to put the new 9/16 bolt through there. So that's the deal. I really don't have time to mess with this, but I got to do it, because if I don't do it, I'm gonna lose it. And I already drilled out this puck, which again seems to be a pretty strong puck. There's nothing wrong with that, so that's good. And I'm gonna put the bolt through the puck, of course, and work it that way. But yeah, it's just wanted to share the video in case anyone else is having problems or thinking about mounting a pressure washer to the trailer. I would highly recommend high grade bolts, the thickest you can get. The thicker the better. So I'm gonna try these 9/16 bolts and nuts, and we'll see how it goes. So anyway, let me get the drilling, and I'll do a wrap-up video just to kind of show you how I mount it when I get it done. All right, guys, thanks. All right, I got it all bolted up, as you can tell here. 9/16 bolts in there. Give you a look underneath. See there? I got those with the bolt head going through the top, and I got these going the opposite way, just due to the fact that I couldn't get the bolt in underneath the belt drive cover, so I went underneath. So I'll give you a visual on the side of it. And as you can tell, my lock washer is even, which means it's to the right torque. It's if this thing comes off, if these bolts break, my next thing is what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some angle iron, weld it parallel to this up, drill me some holes and drill right into the frame and get rid of these legs. That's the only thing I can think of, and don't put a cushion on it. But I think these things are gonna hold. If they don't, we got other issues. So anyway, just FYI, anybody building a trailer, up your game on your bolts. Grade 8 and as thick as you can go. This is a 9/16 thick. 1/2 inch may work. I said if I'm drilling 9/16 anyway. So that was my choice. Maybe overkill, but hopefully it don't go nowhere. We'll see this weekend. We got a bunch of work. So anyway, that's it for me. Please like, subscribe. Be at you with another video shortly. Peace.